got wood grain in my dummy up. Cool $250,000, my go yard double. I win the game, so you still got to shuffle. Born with this.
Alright, what's up? It's your boy Waveaholic. Today, I'm going to teach y'all the quickest way to get 360 waves, or whichever wave pattern you want, 540 or 720. This is the best technique to train your hair and also just get the full, complete rotation of the waves around your head. I like showing y'all the before and after so y'all don't think I'm lying or anything. So this is the before the process. I mean, it looks like this because I just got back from a workout, so I didn't really brush my hair when I got back. So this is how it looks. Before y'all watch this video, I'm just gonna tell y'all that this method is gonna work, and it's a quick and easy way for all waivers, any type of waiver. But anyways, y'all go click the subscribe and like button and comment if it worked for you. Come back to this video and comment under it. Thank you. Enjoy. Alright, now this is what we're gonna do to get the waves that you want. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make your 360 waves more trained, and this is the quickest way to get 360 waves. If you're just cutting your hair off, you might want to do this, or even if your hair is kind of high and you just want to keep your hair cut, you don't really have waves, it's the quickest way to get them. So first, we're gonna comb our hair out. Alright, you see where I'm at now? Nothing. So we're gonna start from scratch. I got my medium brush with me, and I got my soft brush with me. That's all I got. So now we're gonna insert the shampoo. Alright, now that you got the shampoo everywhere, all around your head, we're gonna brush with the medium brush, or however high your hair is, you wanna brush with the brush that's gonna lay your hair down. like my hair is laid down enough, I'm gonna go back over it with the soft brush so I can get my connections more defined. Alright, that's it for the brush session. Now after you done brushed your hair, still with the product in your head, you're gonna rag up so you can keep your hair laid down and it could be trained like that. Now, after you rag up, you wash it out. I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick. Alright, man. I just got out the shower and now we are back. I'm gonna unrag, then show y'all, then I'm gonna brush again. Then we're gonna have our process. Alright, now this is the end product before we rag up. When you feel like your connection is great, we're gonna take it up a notch. And we're gonna insert coconut oil. Any type of coconut oil, really. This is the one I'm using today. We're gonna spread it around. And this is gonna make your waves pop out more. Alright, man. I'm back just to show y'all the real finished product after you done finished everything and after you done ragged up. I mean, as you can see, it worked. That's the quickest way to get your 360 waves trained and to look like they've been there.
They said, Lily, I been looking like diamonds. Pissed off hot waters, I just like a golfer. We riding for